So over here you can see that I have this particular layer and I can move this freely, and similarly I can move all of these layers freely right here. But let's say what I want to do is I want to go around and fix this particular layer over here so that I don't accidentally select or move it out. In that case, I can go around and lock this layer. So to do that, I simply need to go around onto the layer section and then right click and then change it to locked. Once you do that, what happens is that I cannot select out this layer as you can see, but I can freely select out other layer. So this is fixed in place. But if I want to unlock it, then you can go around and click on the lock icon right here and it's unlocked again. Or I can also choose unlocked from over here. Or you can also see that unlock button appears in the image section as long as the layer is selected. Apart from the locking and unlocking, you can also hide the layer. So let's say you don't want the layer in the design, but you're not sure that you want to delete it. In that case, you can go around and lock the layer. So to do that, not lock the layer, but hide the layer. So I'm just going to go around and click on hidden, and you can see that this layer is here, it's hidden. If I were to go around and click, then it becomes visible again. And that is how you can lock and hide layers inside a Pixlr Designer. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.